and hello world! Here's another delicious recipe for your family, mga mommies. Enjoy watching and cooking. So let's start. Let's prepare our ingredients. 1/4 kilo fresh Miki, 1 medium carrot, 3 cloves garlic, 1 bulb onion, 60 grams green beans, magic sarap 8 grams, 2 slices of ham, 1/4 kilograms ground pork, 1 piece big tomato, and 60 grams cabbage. Cooking time! Wow na wow! It's yummy! Did you know that Pancit Miki Guisado is a stir-fry noodle dish similar to Pancit Canton? This dish can be cooked with an array of ingredients such as chicken, pork, vegetable, and seafood. I love this recipe. Its wonderful taste and texture made me ask for more. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoy my recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for my upcoming videos. Keep safe and God bless.